Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for all things technology. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of verifying whether your copy of Windows 11 is fully activated and licensed. Activation ensures that your operating system is genuine and offers access to all its features, updates, and support. So let's dive in and find out. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Having a legal activated copy of Windows 11 ensures that you can use all the features on your PC, such as customizing appearance settings. If you're not sure if your copy is activated, it's easy to find out. Here's how. Right-click on the Start button, then open Settings. In the Settings window, select System in the sidebar. On the System page, choose Activation. You're now on Windows 11's activation screen. Here, your activation status is specified next to Activation State. If your Windows 11 copy is activated, this message will say Active. If your copy isn't activated, you'll see a message that states accordingly. In this case, you can buy a Windows 11 license from Microsoft and use it to activate your PC. Click the Active message to learn how your Windows 11 copy was activated. You'll see whether your copy was activated using your organization's service, a digital license, or another way. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this.